My name is Michele and I am a sales and leasing specialist with Karl Chevrolet here in Stuart. I sold cars, it happened by chance in Red Oak, Iowa for about a year. And my son, he has a restoration business in Coon Rapids also. And so other than him dragging me to the car shows and always telling me what he's working on, I really haven't been around cars that much. I'm friends with Brian Spangler. Well, we sit on, we're from the same community, and we sit on a Main Street, Iowa board together. And I had actually brought my vehicle down to Karl and Stuart to trade in on a Tahoe. And so Brian says, "Hey, Shell, what are you doing currently?" And I said, "Well, actually, I'm just kind of hanging tight, seeing what COVID does." And he said, "I have a job for you." My parents have taught me a huge work ethic, to never point fingers, to be humble and take responsibility, that it's usually my own device, good or bad. I have a strong faith, so I do pray that God puts people in my path that I either need them or they need me. So this has been really neat. I've had some amazing stories come across my desk, so that's been really neat. But I will share this, that I like to pay it forward. And so when I heard about the $1,000 a month bonus, I have 10 envelopes sitting on my desk at home, and then when I hit that $1,000 bonus, I want to put $100 in each one of those and give those away. So personally, that is my personal goal, to hit that so that I can give those away. I might have an advantage because some might think that a woman is not as pushy or hardcore. Maybe we're a little softer. So honestly, I think just my personality has maybe helped me, but I like to be able to lay my head on the pillow at the end of the day and know that I did a good job. So I would say to come prepared for very long hours, but also to maybe have a thicker skin. But if you come with a good attitude and a positive attitude on how you can match finding a vehicle and finding the budget, and then just learning the process along the way, that's been my hardest part of this, other than the hours, is just learning the process involved. But I think for women, because we can be such good multitaskers, if you're a quick learner and you're open to learning and taking constructive criticism, I really think you'll do really good in the car industry. I really do.